Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldIGetIt.com. This is my overview of driving with the Borla exhaust on the GTI. I have some goodies on this car. I have a Cobb Accessport. I'm at Stage 1 Plus, and I think that it sounds pretty damn good. Now, I did do a initial video on this car with the Borla exhaust, the installation, all that stuff. Seen my channel, you know that I had a Borla on my 91 Miata, which I still own, and I had a Borla, on my Mini Cooper S, which I really enjoyed the pops and the runoff, and I still want to get a downpipe for this car so that it'll crackle and bang and then do a retune. But anyways, I just want to drive with the microphone on the exhaust and a microphone in here so that you guys can take a listen to it and also learn how to get what I think are the best sounds out of this car with the setup. So as you can see, when you go up high in the range, it just sounds really good. But you get more of the DSG farts when you are actually shifting it a little bit lower. So I find that when I have it in regular drive in automatic, it sounds better or does more of the DSG farts than it does in sport mode because it revs and shifts a little bit lower. So to get the loudest DSG farts, what you want to do is shift right around 4,000 while on full throttle. Any higher than that, and there's just not enough pressure to release to make those DSG fart sounds. Sorry for the weird cut, I ended up in a random place. As you guys can hear, when I'm just cruising, in regular drive around 2,000-3,000 RPM, there is no drone at all in this car. Even doing 80 miles an hour on the freeway, it sounds totally fine, very livable with, and there's not much added noise. And honestly, even when you're on it, it's not much louder, but it does sound much more aggressive. And also from the outside, as you guys heard in the initial clips, it sounds way better. It doesn't really crackle and backfire. There are tunes available for that. But you also need a downpipe because otherwise it would destroy your cat, which is the reason I don't have that. But I think the exhaust sounds fantastic, and hopefully you guys can hear that in this video. Now, another thing to keep in mind is I do have an intake on the car, so if you hear a little bit of the turbo whooshing, that is the intake, that's not the exhaust. Keep that in mind. But let's take a quick peek, first gear, under this little overpass. Alright, what else is there to know? The exhaust costs around $800, I believe, if I remember correctly. I'll have an Amazon link down below. I do have a lot of other performance goodies on this car, so I will leave that all in the comments below, or in the description box rather, and I'm gonna do a video probably next week going over all that. But let me know what you think of this audio setup, what you think of the exhaust sound, if you have any other mods that you recommend other than a downpipe and a retune, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this style of video or want to know how I film them, leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at @acarphotographer, and check out this setup, Zoom H1, which is in the trunk, and we have a Rode VideoMic Pro on the actual trunk lid facing down to get the dual tips of the Borla exhaust. I hope you liked it. Let me know what car you're driving, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm in the ghetto.